Avenida Houston is a new development in downtown Houston that we've created contiguous to Discovery Green, which is a 12-acre urban park. The area includes a transformed plaza in front of the convention center, the George R. Brown Convention Center, that contains wonderful pedestrian plazas, wonderful landscaping. It includes 5 new retail, restaurants, food and beverage opportunities, as well as just creating a wonderful overall walking experience that we haven't necessarily had in downtown Houston.
They really took a huge boulevard and shrunk it and really made walkability come alive. And I just was so impressed by that.
That project really transformed my whole view of Houston altogether. I could see people, I can see, green space and interacting.
This project to me fits the definition of transformative with an exclamation point. The way that they have taken what was a very dull place and turned it into an activated place that's interesting to people who are attending meetings, which is super,
Right.
but it's also very interesting for the community at large.
We're seeing more and more people looking at Discovery Green and Avenida Houston as the destination, as the place to come to for special events. It's like the Zocalo being the town center of Mexico in various Mexican towns.
And it's also something that is recognized not just here in Houston, but around the world, being the front stage for the Super Bowl and I'm sure many
Right.
other events to come.
The other thing that I really liked about Avenida is that it was full-time daytime and full-time nighttime.
Right.
Total consideration for when it's dark or when it's light. And art put in everywhere.
Right.
And that silver structure at the
Right.
front, with the lights in it,
Oh, yeah.
could not have been any more
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah. And it certainly said, "Welcome to Houston." I really felt like I was in Houston. A great project.